In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook events to Google Calendar. We'll walk through this step by step so you can ensure that your important social events are seamlessly integrated into your calendar. To start, you'll need to head over to Facebook. Once you're logged in, look for the Events section on your sidebar. This is where Facebook keeps track of all the events you've interacted with or that are coming up. Click on it, and you'll see a list of events you're interested in or attending. Now that you're in the Events page, go ahead and select an event you plan to participate in. Once you've clicked into the event, you'll see a series of options around the event details. Look for the three dots, which usually indicate more options are available, and click on those. In that drop-down menu, you'll see Add to Calendar. Select this option to prepare the event for export. Following this, you'll notice an Export option, which you'll also need to click on. This will generate a file that can be imported into Google Calendar. With your file in hand, your next step is to navigate to Google Calendar. Open up a new browser tab and go to your calendar. On the left side, you'll see a little plus sign nestled among the tabs. Give that a click. It's your entry point for adding new events from external sources. You'll be presented with a list of options, one of which is Import. Click on this to get started. You'll then need to select the file you just downloaded from Facebook. Make sure you've saved it somewhere convenient on your computer, as you'll be prompted to locate and open it. After selecting the file, go ahead and click on the Import button. Google Calendar will now start processing the event details from your Facebook file. If everything is working as it should, you'll see a message letting you know that the import was successful. This can usually be confirmed by a simple OK message, just to wrap things up neatly. Click OK to finalize the process. With these steps completed, your Facebook event has now been added to Google Calendar. You should be able to see the event within your calendar, along with any details that were included in the Facebook listing, such as time, location, and any descriptions or notes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your digital life more organized by linking your Facebook events to Google Calendar. If you follow these steps, you won't miss any important gatherings and will have everything properly synchronized, ensuring your calendar reflects all your social commitments seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful.